Omaya Yetimuno, a choir Fasua, Yade Ententia, Edisi Nipa, Edinipa, a Patti Edinipa Tumuno, Papa, they are a hotem na ya papa.
Okay,
Ono awakana se waso ayo brafo onipa so ubedi hie ubekọ wanima enam paaso edu antrase emfa ne nsa engu ne nsa emu na wa trase na common de no right from time I wo no and was starting to odidwa oye aduma na nya nipa beye enya nipa beye ene betima bra Wontumi ase Wontumi nya metiase no brafo be wo hwe asem na ekoso Samuel boy case no a Aremeyaw na wudi ho a wonti ase. Papa me, enti wobi atimi actual letter. Akoma regional security coordinators and coordination. Akate wo mo se amanfo akọ ne contest so. Just all mo mo. Wa actual letter akoka tira wo mo. Almost about court, and maybe Wontumi expose Alex by say, the concession, and for Akos for no, and that dear Odimuomo, now almost your illegal was so all complain your omo. It is that same way, yet to me just so, I can say, Wakoya Bibisa or no, I didn't to me, Ama Womana. I'm not in the case, he said. I saw the general, and to me, your dance behavior, and just said, Wontumi that day. Na say ama womu na wo hwe dia ekosoi tete bibia tete ya de Wontumi kwa akotum ejepe bode na oye ADC fo a mososo ya buto budi mososo ya titibie mososo ya dibu a president kwade na no atumu se ne nkofo no soso galamsey no mososo mu be jira hefa mo fa ba no antum Bakwabe Aremeyaw na baako asa Aremeyaw kra ye lawyer Abdi Apiakubi die o say ekoya dey na paso educate no accord judgment because dey akra kabi Bakwabe e show say me kra me dey wadi
wo be kan wa akra say kontam dodo ade no e say yeyi bire kra fim na nam so gwagwagwa wo kan wa
sa na wadi efire sa na lawyer Abdi Apiakubi e tre kwan say or your lawyer. No, our client be sometimes the crowd, I want to represent other clients. Or select kwa. Sana judge no man quite. Saya di mudia catch. What you say? It's for Cecia. A lawyer and Apiakubi and they are back on Tino home case. The whole case you were caught. Now say will lawyer FPA at the Casa Semuya. Now acquire our hotel. Yegina no, Yagana for. Ebi enchebi obi nyaka na ni enchebi enti ebetimi aka se ene ye kotabra boy ho a ye ni obi a odira ho a oye galamsey ana ye ni obi a odira ho ye ni obi a odira ho na je se Wontumi ko na ayo ye se wa ba kai ama obi aba the concession so a all need to control the concession to power back concession no Wontumi mbonu bede enkoto veranda so anopa wako biem eye asante yantam eda ho a obi ati fetire akoye de opes na ye de sase mu ejira so July 10 ye de Wontumi enkoto mu dia bra kwa me ya papa na awefu aka me papa na me ne wo kafe
yankopo Yando na ye ne no enkodi enkomo okay 101.7 so ni Mira Paul Yando Asante Regional Communication Director ma Osuku Kwamanyuku MPP Uncle Paul memoche
Kwame me di so go
Laboko de
Kwame neboko
Okay.
Na mani neboko
Kwame home system say yeti Asante Mamu of Anoti Emergency Center no yeti ni papa peswa emergency center no abedi emergency ativo eti se odi obi ba sorry fi bi na panico eya to papa
wa mo cheche ma no pe kwa nko ba ye di ye no yes wo center no resource center for bear 12 regions referrals ahodo e wo de say unim hospital adwuma e bi free northern region bi for upper west upper east e bi free western north western e bi free mi ahodo bebre e ba ho it ama wo mo kire wo na ye ni expansion bia ye de be ma no na aye bibia ho
yo papa me ye no kwe if you say you can't hospital be a teaching hospital a tertiary facility I will be a call SSRE no also tertiary there's training and university and the Sana hospitals here who predate state hospitals are now in what regional hospitals now what tertiary hospitals are confirm not the account and you can't case it no abro almost what let's say nipa no wo ya to na nanom wo enzie do o ti ase enti ya ra ho sempa akoso wo konfanote wo we tenye se NDC ba ye na o ma change konfanote ti wo no ho ana kata se mu enzi ya wa hwa NDC for ko meka se nipa no ho no o ye MPP ni eti na sa de na koso da we de o ma nipa o ana o be ka sa se mu achaye na bakwa me de ma asem no ye nyina ye ya ne se Tatam kesi say yes here. Yes, ka sector minister I minta kando. Oba shwe konfanoti ti wono. Na wa ama dina ye papa etimi eti e wo ho.
Okay, fam.
Yeah, this one say was Sunday 0 no for tourists. Meaning also Sunday no. Na a sebi enkwana. And I said na ajini pa when you accident no. I don't know ma no amane ho aba betono. I say I said doctor Kweku before e ma nurse no e ka ho bi ma. Senya ye na otumfo o se tutu otoso mi e na de na no e to ato media. Ah doctor bi de the new ferry ani anmonyam e de game a enka doctor si that was striker enka patient who actually no papa. When the parliamentary select committee no on the health free parliament I say young call after military hospital any others there a can be no they shed their air cost to ewo papa me you go after military hospital say yes she share and near ma who do I facility or no you get look right.
Okay, fam. Okay, 101.7.
What are you doing here? Who gave you the permission? Where's your letter? The letter was supposed to come from CDR. Why ask? Having command. And you say, your people's representation, MP, and one more ambassador, the Aquas work of nothing, you know. The Baba share existing facilities now and Wahano. They have said, akwanya bi beba ma yesimi di nipa ni bi abaha nkofo esi da bakwa me enye ife e wo take your letter comma southern command no to the command the CDH or the CD11 ma say e take it back 21 days asana yes ma can reply ni ade I just I home system now so in all cases you know they yesimi abawura afa military hospital wa ya ko say and what emergency center no edimu adese bibia bi wo ho baba me and what 15 theaters maternity
okay fam 101.7
come see say ahudo and konya ekwa bibia is in place there ye betimi ade nipa ekwa ho ye to aso ko trete e ho so accident center no ebi wo ho ye ko severe accident emergency center no ebi wo ho eno ne yakase enka minta kando the best decision I also go take in say otimi ka check of notice you no say doctor Samuwa hano ye fa bi nko afari ye fa bi nko trede ye fa bi enko tewia se ne be ya referral cases are ever the tribunal ye betimi ede ebi akọhọ na etimi akọji wo mo rather than say obeka to suspend the CEO no if he says that ade na oye ye no amwa pra but ya saa so anya ne ntia sɛ traditional council wo Asante Region House say next week no omo so be ko na me nim sɛ omo fa so ja for no de omo be fa de omo de fa mu ne dia me nim dia e be ko so
so ni mu sɛ baby ti sɛ afari hoyi a ye kai military zone no soldier for na bo ho ban maybe kwam se nkrofo bi ko ma the same thing so as happy eti no wo gi say
Bakwame military zone na say military hospital it doesn't prevent ordinary person and our people's representation omo ye MP omo ye de bibia so omo say ye sika ye de ebo man no hu bra e di no omo ntimi nko he niam bi so the neighbor bibi hu ba ya it doesn't prevent anybody from accessing the place and now the bibi sa eti ye de ye ko ye say ye kwa ko he de ko so because as someone say no e ni pan kwa o me e ni pan kwa e na ye say one pan kwa be bi o meja sa kwa na eti ye say existing places e wo boy fe ti ma bo a ye wo hu kwa say ye ko if you say COVID-19 kwa ba ye no COVID-19 ya we ani nyina ye hu bi da Pentecost for e de wo mo prayer center e wo go mu afete e ma ye si enkoje ayarehwe wo na se be bi aye de security say e hospital that ye wie fa ye be kimi de nipa akova ko he no e be si akọhe nipa ni bi wo prayer center asema ye ka nyina no
na amo so boss bo bi say baby ti say afari baby ti say sewua ene mia wodo bebre wa wo mo ena ye gya ho ma ban fie nwotwe mu antoa so eti so bo no de asesi as wo mo ban 1.5 years ni na mo motena ho 8 years ni mo ameya mo de so bo no be wo mo sei
Rakwame enya no kreta na yema amanfo hu no kra ekoso ewo Asante Bediatuo before by 2017 ya baba to na NDC for attack na omo enwie ya nka se NDC for na attack ntino enya ade a ye beye ye Kumawu hospital no ama ene ya committee a eye aduma ya taru so ebeto komina NDC for na attack eno so na Akufo Addo etwa so a we hospital na ya committee ama yenkomu ayarehwe iyo jet project ya ebine konongo sepa enda ya friend say wia eno so na Akufo Addo ya friend Akufo de tafe but NDC de omo ati eba ye no ya timi abetua so complete ninina wia be katewi ya committee no on the 4th of January 2025. There cannot be a situation. President of the Republic, every commission facility, the facility no
Okay,
no monopolies na omoye. After military hospital to Subo. President Akufo and a share appear. And then this is supposed to buy it. Almost so ever one. But almost to me early. Yeah, no so we got a year, the hotel bia that to bear 98%. That's why we make it 98% ya. Na a car a war about a military hospital in 2.2 billion Ghana. MPP for 2 billion Ghana cedi. I got 200 million pet. You see me here. Naga, ya got a hospital no, ya who can every. Now look around for no. I have a challenge there. There will be the 2.2. So it's 2 billion. That yeah, I didn't know where we are. This I was saying, you the one wanted here. Who did soldier for them? Just do before complaining. And manipulate to me and Kawasan.
Okay,
aside that, Asante Bediatuo. Nana Akufo Addo agenda 111 na yeka wantem. Baku 23 and on the bread work ready moha. Owie ye no, osan so efa Vamed hospitals. Ono dey started from the scratch and owie ye. Unko tabro no mu ebi wo ho. Unko swami ebi wo ho. Unko efenisen kedie ebi wo ho. Unko maso nkwanta ebi wo ho. And that drop also 5 hospitals, Obieno at the time. In a day, no, Obie 5 hospitals. And now them get to if you have health facilities in there, my can't say, you hear to do one hour. Confirm not to walk around, you can't want them. And near my entity for a year, and now them get to the old back of another who Clerk Center. Yes, see the come. Osha Intensive Baby Care Unit, Rebecca Foundation, Bay, and FPP time. Oko Omo Oncology Department, yes, see, die, amamo. Na a diabetes wa I can't come from and maternity block. Na a better deeper 500.
No, and I know how much I see in 1974.
Akufo Addo baye abaya bakwa and so Akufo Addo baye ya Kojo University Akufo structural integrity for better dino also a dino I did 43 years into a more wording in that abra asset eti Akufo Addo budani guya 800 maternity block a true bear 90%. Let us say, you wear a dino later. And the about I said, yeah, you have a brave. Nancy, so no, I buy all Shana and Nancy for Emco, Nomu Kwayajima, and then the politics, and the appear to it, so and the appear to it. Your feet said, yeah, the star, Nippon Qua and your Didia bro, Nippon Coffee the star, and now you're bet to me, Jabba. It's the end politics, they are busy, then the Baya, the Baya, am I a coco?
I hear no woman were one announcement to be a cake go on.
Brother, I say, my family papa, Nanyamio Hatta to and a demon one for fear. But Gravo now is a job for the friend, say, Omako who cement to bear 1,000 back. I just say, in so I'll put cement in my Nina, Katia, and done the work. And I say, anyway, the mamma coherent and you here. And I may say, I said, and I made the door. Na picture no another video no mu channel yes me actually ye eti ma to me 912 bakwami me to get what we want say bre pa I just want just more pege ni mu adi
abono na ye premra na sa kyereme ya na sa nanka
bakwami aya premra ni kyereme me tete ni hu na ye brown ni black no which is the poison and the movement.
Okay, FM. 101.7.
I can be a comment with the Anyanka, emergency be coming. And just a miss cheese that. Now, make Jimmy, and I'm me as far what it's total kind of me say. I think I'm a near me question or
now, Maminfa, another developer, Mransway.
Okay.
Ura, Chama, Wontumi Will, Chama. Igami national chairman. What baby asem so drum? Say July 3rd and omode atemu beba ewo akonta man ne hu. Yewu apia ku bi so sorry ade na yemfa maaye no. Wo se an wo koyi ni wafi mu juada. De koyi binim so ni de kira.
Many dear papa na koya we ho sem. O maya ye timu no e kwa ye faso a ye de entantia edi sisi nipa edi nipa tumu no papa me ya we hotem na enya papa
Okay, FM. 101.7.
na me nimse ni nyame tiase ono awaka na se waso ayo brafo onipa so ubedi yie ubeko wani ma enam paso edi wan trase emfa ne nsa engu ne nsa emu na wan trase na common de no right from time I won no and was starting to odija or yejuma then nya nipa beye and nya nipa beye and the best man bra Wontumi ase Wontumi nya metiase no brother me wo hwe asem na e koso Samuel boy case no a awrefo na wodi hu a wotiase brother me enti obi atimi actual letter akoma regional security coordinators and coordination I can't tell what we say. A month for a call. The court says, I did the only woman. Wacho letter akoka kyerɛ wɔ mo. Ɔmo so ba court abedi adanse and maybe Wontumi expose letter ne by say ne concession no enkofo akɔfo no enya dia onim wɔ mo na ɔmo yɛ illegal wɔ so a o complain ya kyerɛ wɔ mo. It is that same way yɛtumi gyina so ɛka sɛ wakɔyɛ biribi saa ɔno na ɛde ne tumi ama wɔ mo ana abra yɛ nyinaa yɛ ne tia kesi sɛ asɔre general ɛntumi nya adanseɛ bi a ɛkyerɛ sɛ Wontumi na de na sase ama wɔ mo na wohwɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so yi paa kyerɛ biribiara kyerɛ sɛ yɛde Wontumi kɔ akɔtom ɛkyɛ pɛ bɔne na ɔyɛ ɛti ADC foɔ a mo soso yɛ abobɔ wo din mo soso yɛ tete bie mo soso yɛ di mu a president kora de n'ano ato mu sɛ ne nkurɔfoɔ no soso ɛɛtu galamsey no mo soso mo bɛgyina hefa mo fama no ɛntum bakwa me ɛyɛ me ya na baako asa yɛ me ya koraa yɛ lawyer Abdi Apiaku bi deɛ ɔse ɛkɔyɛ a deɛ gyina fa so ɛde case no akɔ ntɛntɛm because bia kora ka bi bakwa me ɛhyɛ sɛ me kora me ne wɔdi
wobɛka na waakora sɛ ɛkɔntam dodo adeɛ no ɛsɛ yɛyi bere kira fim na nam so gwagwagwagwa woka wa
saa na ɛwɔ deɛ fire saa na lawyer Abdi Apiaku bi ɛkyerɛ kwan sɛ ɔyɛ lawyer na ɔwɔ client bebree sometimes the crowd I want to represent other clients or second crop aqua sana judge no e man kwai say the mudia ya ka tre no what you say it for session a lawyer Apiaku bi e dey ababon no ahomte the whole case go court na say o lawyer epie e be kasa asemu ya na akoye arehotem ye nyina no ye Ghana fo ebi enchebi obi nyaka na ni enchebi eti ebetimi aka se ene ye kosamra boy ho a ye ni obi a ogyina ho a oye galamsey ya na ye ni obi a ogyina ho ye ni obi a ogyina ho na ne se wo tibi po na ayo ene se wo tibi po na aye ye se wa ba kwai ama obi aba ne concession so a all need to control near the concession to ma wa bra bra be concession no wo tibi mbo no bede enkoto baranda so anopa wa ko biem I start to young and that wa obi you fetch akoya the open na ya the start to age na so July 10 ya do to me e go to dia bra kwa me ya papa na aweku aka me papa na me no wo ka say
enyame wo mbe yi wai
bra kwa me ye ya ko ya ko se ya titi ye because dependent for that dream po the panel wa boda dinu for go utie lawyer Apiaku bi asemo anka ne se the court ri ya court pa ya the court no be ya ne hu se wa ya court na ensemo akosu wa court ho na nya ensake sie bi every baby
okay 101.7
ewo court no so dia ensase asemo ebotia Wontumi na lawyer kata asemo ya bakwa be enya prison na uko
asemo but say ono so nye na ye incoming national chairman of the new political party
pepe enti eno so na bema ono na be the first national chairman ya what that prison ya betu aba say ya tu aba you know as the first chairman our that prison na NDC any abai only any other outfit than to go and bring him back to the new patriotic party. Oh, just say, you bet to a mama, you bet to a friend with that prison. Now, obey the woman that reason, the idea of the Papa in the prison or no about baby or Slama you go there. He said, the echo to your papa and your papa or tiny dog.
Okay, 101.7.
That makes all standing back to me. Now I am Bobo.
And the me da se no pe na post na wo kono e den a
Baba me ko regional secretary na me ko bompaya ma me na ba fa mo refi na.
Ameka opa na nyame so bema wani so ade hunu abam na party no afa tampa e de efra na sade wachitafo wo mo di wachire be ye no wo so abeto anwuma pa no so e ma wo sono no amanyoku no aye krabehwe e wasante mantem.
Amen. Baba me nyame so papa.
Sounds baba. Over Paul Yando.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.